cats have long been regarded as independent and untrainable creatures. Unlike their canine counterparts, it has been commonly believed that cats cannot be trained to respond to specific commands. However, recent studies and a growing body of evidence suggest otherwise. While it may be more challenging to train a cat compared to a dog, it is definitely possible to teach them certain behaviors and commands. In this article, we will explore the question, can cats be trained to respond to specific commands, and delve into the methods and techniques that can be employed to train our feline friends. First and foremost, it is important to understand that cats are fundamentally different from dogs in terms of their social structure and behavior. Dogs are pack animals and have a natural inclination to follow a leader or an alpha figure. This makes them inherently more responsive and trainable. On the other hand, cats are solitary animals and have a more independent nature. They are less inclined to seek approval and follow commands. However, this does not mean that cats cannot be trained. It simply means that we need to approach their training differently. One of the key factors in training a cat is motivation. Cats are food-driven animals, and using treats as rewards can be an effective way to train them. Positive reinforcement is the key to cat training. Whenever your cat exhibits the desired behavior or responds to a command, reward them with a treat and praise. This will encourage them to repeat the behavior in the future. It is essential to be patient and consistent in training, as cats may not show immediate results. Consistent positive reinforcement will gradually shape their behavior and response to specific commands. Another important aspect of cat training is the use of clicker training. Clickers are a type of small handheld device that emits a distinct clicking sound when pressed. This sound can be associated with rewards and used to mark the desired behavior. By clicking the device every time your cat responds correctly to a command, you can strengthen the association between the behavior and the reward. Clicker training can be highly effective in teaching cats to respond to specific commands, as the sound of the click becomes a powerful motivator for them. When training cats, it is crucial to keep the training sessions short and engaging. Cats have short attention spans and can easily become disinterested. Limit the training duration to a few minutes per session, but make sure to repeat the sessions multiple times a day. This will help them retain what they have learned and prevent them from getting bored. Additionally, it is important to create a calm and distraction-free environment during the training sessions, as cats are sensitive to their surroundings and might lose focus if there are too many distractions. It is also beneficial to use visual cues along with verbal commands when training cats. Cats are highly observant animals and respond well to visual signals. For example, when teaching a cat to sit, you can hold a treat above their head and slowly move it back. As the cat follows the treat with its eyes, its bottom will naturally touch the ground, and you can give the verbal command, sit. By consistently pairing the visual cue with the verbal command, your cat will eventually learn to respond to the command without the visual cue. In addition to these techniques, it is important to remember that each cat is unique and may respond differently to training. Some cats may be more responsive and quick to learn, while others may require more time and patience. It is essential to adapt your training methods to suit your cat's individual personality and needs. Always consider their comfort and well-being during the training process and avoid any harsh or forceful methods. Positive reinforcement and patience are the cornerstones of successful cat training. In conclusion, while cats may have a reputation for being untrainable, they can indeed be taught to respond to specific commands. With the right approach, motivation, and techniques, cats can learn desired behaviors and commands through positive reinforcement. It is essential to understand their unique nature and adapt our training methods accordingly. So, if you ever wondered if you can train your cat, the answer is yes. With consistency, patience, and a lot of treats, cats can be trained to respond to specific commands.